If you missed it, me and Elliot met a gang of possums who let us hang out in their cool clubhouse if we help them move some stuff around. It's amazing. I only hope that Elliot doesn't blab to the other campers, or it's the end of the splooshy life for both of us. Also, it took me way too long to figure out that Dean's been using us to steal stuff this whole time. I know, it's pretty obvious when you think about it, but man, that chair's comfy.
1113. Nope. 1114. Nope.
Elliot, Dean's been using us this whole time. Oh, I should have known. All that cool stuff at the Possum Club, Dean's air quotes, not to mention the store we broke into. Elliot, we're thieves.
Who we? Us? We? We're thieves!
Gotta admit, Big Bear, that took you longer to figure out than I thought it would.
But I see what's going on now, Dean. Elliot and I are done thieving, and we're done with you.
Hey, my shoulders! I need those for shrugging.
So how's this sound? We're gonna hold on to your little buddy Elliot, and you're gonna help us. Or else.
Okay, I'll do it. If you harm one hair on E's head, I'll harm every hair on yours. Move over. I know the passcode. Happy now?
Come on, Boog. This life's not so bad, is it? Yummy snacks, cool toys.
You've got my best friend in a sugar coma.
Hey, that was Elliot's idea.
Look, are we done here?
Sorry. Can't let you go. In case you blab.
Me? Elliot's the one that blabs.
It'll be much easier if you just join us. You'll like it, I promise.
I need to clear my head.
Oi!
What are you doing here? It was Elliot, wasn't it?
I'll tell you later, but right now, you and the possums need to rob Cap Wild!
What? Why?
Just do it!
Boog! Come on, Boog. What do you say?
You know what? This life really is pretty good. After all, yeah. Taking things, breaking stuff, sneaking around feels great. And I know a place just loaded with good stuff in need of, heisting, yeah.
Good stuff, you say? Music to my ears. I'm not even gonna ask you to elaborate.
I know all the ins and outs of the joint, too. It'll be a snap.
I like this new side of you, Boog, and I knew you'd come around. But we are gonna hold on to your boy just to be sure.
I wouldn't have it any other way.
Beans? Is this your idea of good stuff? Empty. Empty? Empty, empty! What is this? What's going on?
I'm not sure yet.
It's a trap! Duck, you big galoot!
Take that! And that!
Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself!
Would you like some more of this? I did not think so.
Where are you going? I still need to work on my backhand.
Come on now. There must be some sort of arrangement we could make.
Ho, ho, ho! I'm about to arrange something, all right.
Oh! Ma'am? little wiener.
So tell me what I already know. Elliot spilled the beans about everything, didn't he?
Aye, we knew something was up when you two first came back into camp.
I could smell the lies through your fries, buddy. We just had to look at Elliot sideways and...
I'll tell you everything!
Oh! Elliot told us about Dean, the clubhouse, everything. And for no reason at all, he also told us Ian's middle name is Dorothy.
Hey, it was my grandfather's name.
No, as soon as I saw the Possum's clubhouse, I knew they weren't on the level. I mean, you'd have to be a real half-wit not to see that.
Just stick to the story.
You were helping those possums steal? Not good karma, Boog. Not good. And they won you over with woohoo bars?
I knew those possums wouldn't resist an easy heist, so I laid a trap and told you to lead them here. My plan worked perfectly.
Except you forgot about Elliot.
Except I forgot about Elliot. Except I forgot about Elliot!
He's still at the clubhouse. Who knows what Dean will do to him now? Come on, we gotta save him. Don't worry, little buddy. We're coming for you.
Wait for me!
Elliot!
Who wants some, huh? Come and get it! Ah, shucks, you didn't leave any for me?
Elliot! Elliot, wake up, little buddy. It's okay, it's just sugar. Way too much sugar.
Oh, hey, Boog. What did I miss, huh? Is there any more splooshy?
You're okay. I thought Dean was gonna do something terrible to you.
Why would I do something terrible to Elliot when I can do something terrible to all of you? Keep at it, boys!
Let us out of here!
They're cutting the supports!
Dean, you gotta stop this!
Never! No one pulls the wool over Dean's eyes. That's my thing. It's time for you and your friends to take a trip.
I can't tell. Did you make air quotes when you said trip?
I did.
Oh, I knew it. Uh-oh, that is bad. What do we do, Boog?
You don't want to do this, Dean!
Do what? Drop you over a cliff? Of course I do.
I'm not talking about us. I'm talking about all your stuff.
Oh, no. Stop! We gotta get all our swag out of there before this box goes over.
Push!
Looks like we got all our stuff back, and you've got nothing. Too bad, Boogie Baby. We could have made a great team.
I've already got the best team.
Oh, no! You haven't seen the last of us! Those no-good campers may have taken everything from us, but we'll get it all back. And more! Greetings, angry-looking dog. My colleagues and I are looking to rebuild our super cool clubhouse. And help from a tough-looking bruiser like you is just what we need to... Oh, no!
It really is an amazing view. I might miss this most of all. Now, who am I kidding? I missed the woohoo bars already.
Cheer up, pal. Who actually wants to eat candy, drink splushies, and play video games all day anyway?
Sorry I tried to keep you from telling the truth, E. It's probably best you don't keep secrets anymore. For everyone's sake.
Oh, phew. What a relief. Luke shaves his knuckles. Winnie's part doodle. McSquizzy's tail is faux fur. This feels amazing. Ian wears a girdle to bed. Carla cheats at checkers.